I'm Tammy, Queen of DIY. Welcome back to the Palace. And today I am participating in a collaboration, and it's the How to DIY for Christmas glass jars decor ideas. But before we jump into this DIY, if you're not a family member of the Queen of DIY, why don't you hit that subscribe button? Tap that bell twice and you'll know when I am uploading a video. Alright everyone, we're going to jump straight into this DIY. Now for this DIY, I am using a crystal glass candle holder and also a hurricane vase. I'm using silver glitter and white glitter. They're both Celine from Walmart. I'm using Mod Podge 9-inch silver ribbon, and that is from Roses. And I'm actually using a bridal pick, and this is from my local Mighty Dollar. You're going to need your paintbrush, your glue gun, your glue sticks, and your scissors. All right. Now, what we're going to be doing first is we're going to set the stem to the side and also glue your choice. I have pre-cut a piece of ribbon that I want to actually go on my vase, and I'm just going to wrap it and tie it this way. Just going to glue the edge. This way. I'll twist and wrap it. I'll let you see what I'm doing. And I'll just twist it this way, and I'm going to actually glue this down because I want this to hang this way. And you're going to see how all of my pieces come into play. So we're just going to add some hot glue in there. Get that there. I'm just gluing them on my ribbon. And probably what I'm doing is just go ahead and add the glue on and just go in and stick them in. Both sides. And once I got them on, I'm going to come back. I want to set that away. Getting about time to add my glitter on. And I just want a roll of glue on the top of those. Make extra glue because we're adding in our brooch, and I want that brooch added in. Just like that. was actually going to hide those ends of the picks. And look at that. I got some more. Now this collaboration is actually hosted by Living Luxury Within and Really Good Living with Lady Phoenix. And the co-hosts are Glamour Ellen, Styling with Stacy, DIY Designs by CCW with Candy, and Glam Queen of DIY, which is Tammy, which is myself. And this is just in preparation, getting you ready for Christmas DIYs. So I just want to pour a little bit of my Podge in my lid. Cleaning up my glue screen. And I think I'm going to go in first with my ultra fine silver. And I want it at the base of my and we're not done. Making sure I get a good coat. I'm just going to recycle it back in. Add a little bit of the silver to the top of my vase. We have the top, and remember, I'm gonna have, because the bottom is still wet. Pulling out way those glue strings. But that piece is looking like that. So what we're going to do with the top. Now you can use the glue of your choice, because I was told that this was, I think it was called distressed or decompressed crystal. I will not make this a permanent fit. I just want to style it through the winter months in my home. So all I'm going to do is this. Now again, any project you're doing, you use the glue of your choice. I don't need to make a expensive piece a permanent piece. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take that. We're going to take our bottom. I'm just going to sit on there. And that is my vase. And I'm going to let you actually see this in a picture at the end, just styled in a space in my home so you can see what it looks like. But she is looking lovely. All right. Now that concludes this How to DIY for Christmas glass jar decor ideas. Again, make sure you check out that playlist link to see what the other hosts and co-hosts did create, but also check out the playlist to see what all the other fabulous content creators did create. I enjoyed this. Still be on the lookout. Please check out my community tab for another open invite for a collaboration, and it is a pink collaboration. So please check in my community tab right after this video, because it should already be up. But, and again, you know your girl can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video in the palace very soon. Y'all have a wonderful day.